All right, ladies, you ready to walk? Ellie, can you walk in front of me so I can see where you're at? Duluth Aerial Lift Bridge. Oh boy.
It's under newer ownership.
All right.
Why is there that? For like when the bridge isn't over.
When it's going up, they put that up. This thing is cool, huh, Ellie? Here's Mom. Sorry. Oh, you're right. I better hold on to my hat. Plenty. Well, once you start to feel it go, you grab it. So. Whew. Here's the operator house. Emily,
What?
see that's ladder stairs over there? That's where the person who operates the bridge goes up and comes down every day.
So they get lifted?
Yep. What are you doing in my hat, yellow monkey? This thing is so cool. Emmeline, look, there's more stairs right above you. There's the massive counterweight up there. Hi, sir. Well, that was so cool. All right, we're going to take a little left when we get to the end of the pier here. A sidewalk, I should say.
Are we gonna go?
Yep. Taking a hard left.
They touching my right.
Whew. Oh, sorry, Ellie.
Now I need to put my shoe back on again.
Well, let's fix it right here in the grass.